Hey Portainer managers, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. Let's find out how to manage access control for application stacks using Teams in Portainer.
Log into Portainer as an admin user, and then click Users in the left sidebar. In the resulting window, type a username and password to create the new user. Next, we'll create a new team. For this, click Teams under Users in the left sidebar. In the new window, type a name for the new team and select a leader. After you create the new team, it'll be listed under Teams. Click the name of the new team and you'll be transported to a new page where you can manage the team. Click the Add button for all users you want to add to the team. If you haven't already assigned a leader to the team, once you've added users, you can assign a leader or multiple leaders by clicking the Leader button associated with a user. With your new team created, you can now assign a team to a stack for development. This is done during the stack creation process. Click Stacks from the left sidebar and then click Add Stack. On the stack creation page, scroll to the bottom and you'll see the Access Control section. Click Restricted and then select the team you want to assign to the stack from the Teams dropdown. You can then finish up the stack, adding content for the Docker Compose file, and then, once you're finished, click Deploy the stack.
If you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to our How to Make Tech Work YouTube channel. Also, check out TechRepublic for the latest news in tech.